We just did a mobile order at Cocina Cucamonga, and they have new QuesaBirria tacos. Now, my hopes aren't too high for these, because any taco that we've had here before, we haven't really liked. So, and we were here for a touch at Disney. I couldn't even chew the tortillas. So let's see what this is like. Like I said, I'm managing expectations. These tortillas? Actually aren't bad. Okay, I actually like them. Yay, nay. Finishing up our day here at Disney California Adventure with 2 more QuesaBirria tacos. Before we left, we had to get 2 more of them. They were literally so good, you have no idea. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so, and follow us on social media at Funnel Cake Vlog. Thanks for watching.